Hi, myself Gurmeet Kamboj. I am the owner of innovative group of companies. We have company in India, Dubai and China as well. And we are dealing in rigid packaging, all type of packaging for cosmetic, personal care, food and pharma packaging. Yeah, I participate in Hong Kong also. We participate in Dubai also, Beauty World exhibition. And we participate other exhibition of India also like Cosmo Pro and other exhibition also we do. CMPL is good platform. There is some domestic customer is there, international customer is also there, and overall they manage well. So overall, I can say it's a very good exhibition. Yeah. Yeah, CMPL is awesome, very innovative. So we are happy to be here. Yeah. I already recommend 2, 3 my friends. They already having booth here, so they came from Dubai. I am also from Dubai, so we are here. So then I think recommendation is always there. Yeah, definitely we are participated last year also and next year also we are participating. So hopefully we are continuous.